Jim, I know that you're asking about a couple of things, but I'm curious about your take on the real threat of quantum computing.
Oh my goodness. So that's one of my briefs that I've done now for several years, actually, since about 2019.
Mm.
And I can't name the individual that first from the agency that first talked about it and actually given me permission to speak about it. But it's still there. The threat never went away. The concerns we're just now seeing a few entities. Like I've seen a few articles in the past a year and a half of people starting to think about it. Like, hey, what about geopolitical relations when that ciphertext can be readable, with a quantum supercomputer or something that can break the encryption in a relatively short amount of time. So yeah, the threat never left. The threat is still there. But I think as individuals like you and I, the immediate impact, unless there's a quantum Q day, which is kind of referred to like a cyber 9/11, where let's say all our banking industries get disrupted and we can't go to ATM or can't pay our bills anymore online anymore, that might disrupt everyone. But I think the immediate effects is going to come from, big institutions that have proprietary information and secrets to protect, whether you're federal defense or if you're a corporation that have trade secrets that you're trying your best to protect it from being, copyright infringement or or worst case, a counterfeit.
Mm.